Hey everyone, welcome to Codify. Today we will see how we can install our Laravel application in our device. So first of all, let's jump into Laravel documentation. So here you can see installation. So here you may have a command which we will use for Linux. Here you can see install PHP and the Laravel install. Okay, so for Linux we have to copy it. Okay, then we will paste it here in our terminal. So let's paste it. So here it is installing the PHP and composer for our project. So let's give some time and I will fast forward the video. So here you can see it is successfully executed. Now we have to give this command composer global require laravel slash installer. So let's give it here. So it will take some time. Okay, yes, it is successfully executed. Now what we have to do, we have to choose the location of our Laravel project. For that, we will go other locations, Ubuntu, then OPT, then LAMP, and here we can find our htdocs folder. So let's create a folder, employee management. Let's create it. Let's give it short. Employee project folder. Okay, folder. So this is our employee project folder. So here we have to give, we have to open our terminal. Okay, we have to open our terminal. So open in the terminal. So here you can see we are in employee project folder. So let's create our project. Let's close it out and Laravel new example app. Okay, we have to paste it here. I will paste it here. And here, instead of example app, I will give employee management. Okay, so this is our project name, Laravel new, and our project name is employee management. So let's give enter. So here I will choose no, then enter, then I would choose no, and here yes it is our version 13 Laravel is creating. Okay, so it will take some time and I will fast forward the video. So for now the database I will use is MySQL, so I will choose MySQL and default database updated. So I would choose for now no. Okay, so it is installing. So let's fast forward the video. For this I would choose no. Okay, it has been executed successfully. Now we have to go to our project folder. So if we give command ls, we can see employee management. A project is already been created. So here you can see employee management and under it whatever files and folder we need for Laravel, it is already installed. Now let's do one thing. We will go to this folder. So we will give cd then employee hyphen management. Okay, so we are under employee management. Okay, so here we we have to do one thing. So for your betterment, I have already created a database which is employee db and it has no table. Okay, so for employee db we have to give our root name, username and database name to our project folder .env file. So for that we have to go to our editor. So let's go to our editor and see, and we will see we will configure our .env file. So here we will choose open folder, then other location computer, then opt lamp, then htdocs and our employee management, and we will open it. So here you can see our .env folder and we are using MySQL. So our database name we have to give it. So what is our database name? Our database name is employee underscore db. Okay, employee underscore db, employee employee hyphen db, and our username is example underscore user, example underscore user, and password will be password. So by default, our DB username is root and password is blank. But here I have configured it. So whatever username and password you have, you will paste it here. Okay. So let's save it. Now we will jump into our terminal, back to our terminal, and here we will give another command, and that is php artisan migrate. So here you can see our table has been created. So if we go to our database table, employee table, we will refresh it. Now we can see table has been created. So tables, here you can see all the tables has been created. Okay, so we will give another command, and that is php artisan serve. So here you can see our server is running. So if we go to this, then you can see that our Laravel 13 is running successfully. So this is it for this tutorial, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.